Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Snehal and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and beauty. Oh my god, how many of you have requested for this video? This was the highly requested video from all of you. You all wanted me to share my hair care routine and how I take care of my hair and keep them healthy. So I actually, honestly speaking, I don't really do much for my hair because I'm blessed with good hair thanks to my genes. So still I follow some simple steps in my daily routine, and I'm going to share that with you guys in this video. So if that interests you guys, stay tuned till the end and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button for this video as well. And I'm going to leave my Instagram handle in the description box down below, so do follow me there also. I'm super active on Instagram, and without any further ado, let's just get started. Stopping the hair fall or reducing the hair fall is not an overnight process. It takes a really long time, and you have to follow a few of the things in your routine religiously and regularly, and you can see the results within 2 to 3 weeks if you are following it religiously. So don't expect any results overnight. So it is a lengthy process and it is going to take time, so be patient with yourself. Oiling your hair regularly is a staple thumb rule, and we all should follow that. You should at least oil your hair once in a week. So along with that, what else you can do to stop your hair fall and make your hair more healthy, I'm going to share with you guys. So first thing is that when you're applying the shampoo, dilute your shampoo first. Make sure you're diluting the shampoo before applying on your scalp or your hair directly, because if you apply directly a thicker shampoo on your hair or scalp, it can leave a residue. By diluting it, it is easier to rinse it off, so no residue is left on your scalp and you won't face any dandruff issues or any dry scalp issues or anything like that. So that will keep your hair healthier in the longer time. You can take any container and just take the amount of shampoo that you would need to wash off the length of your hair, and just add some water to it and dilute it and apply it on your scalp and hair and wash it off. My second tip is cut down on use of styling products. The more you use styling products on your hair like curler, straightener or hair dryer, the more your hair is going to get damaged. Your hair follicles are going to get damaged. You should use it, at least you should cut down on it. If you can't totally stop it or reduce it, just cut down on using it. If you're using it daily, just cut down to using it once in a week. And if you are using a hair dryer to dry your hair, you can put the setting on a cold air if your hair dryer has that function. So you can put the setting on cold hair so your hair is less damaged. Third tip is use the heat protecting products before styling your hair. If at all you are not able to avoid using styling products like curler, hair dryer or straightener every now and then, make sure that you are using a heat protecting spray or heat protecting serum before applying these products on your hair, because it will reduce the hair damage caused by the heat of these products. And you can also actually use heat protecting sprays and heat protecting serums before going out in the harsh sunlight. It will also keep your hair protected from the harsh sunlight. Fourth tip is don't tie your hair too often and too tightly. If you are someone who likes to tie your hair up and in a tight ponytail, that is not the right thing. Your hair follicles become very brittle and they tend to break. So make sure that you are not tying your hair for too long and too tight. Make sure that you are keeping your hair loose for a little bit of time at least. Fifth tip is eat one fruit, at least one fruit every day. As ordinary and as basic as it sounds, but actually eating one fruit every day makes a drastic change in the way your hair look, or they look healthier and shinier and they get stronger day by day. So make sure that you are eating at least one fruit every day, and the bonus point is that your skin and nails also get healthier with this habit. Next tip is, do not comb your hair too often. Too much of combing causes hair breakage and hair damage, and your hair get loosened from their roots. So make sure that you're avoiding combing too often. If your hair are tangled, you can detangle with your fingers, and make sure that you're using only hairbrush and not those plastic combs, because they cause really it actually damages your hair a lot. Do not use a rough towel to dry your hair. You guys can't even imagine how much of hair damage and hair breakage is caused because of drying your hair with rough towel and very rigorously. Instead, go for an old t-shirt of yours, a cotton t-shirt of yours. Just pat dry your hair and you'll be sorted. And the bonus point with this one is that if you dry your hair with a cotton t-shirt, it will add that shine to your hair. So here we come to an end of this video, guys. I hope this video of mine was helpful for you. Do let me know in the comments down below your views about this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, and hit the like button for this video as well. And do follow me on Instagram. I'm going to leave the Instagram handle in the description box down below, and do let me know what all you want to watch from my end more. So it will be very helpful for me to create content for you guys the way you want it. So with that, I end my video here, and I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.